Hello traders, this is Chris Keene from a keenpointofview.com, and this is Currency Watch. It was an interesting day of trading in North America as most of the gains post the FOMC minutes, which seemed to paint a picture that quantitative easing was due in the near future, were erased after it became into clear view that the minutes from the August meeting were a little bit behind the times after data has picked up since the release. And even to make things more clear, Fed speaker was speaking in early North American trading, and Fed Bullard, he stated the fact that the markets could have misread the FOMC minutes because the minutes were a bit stale. This led to a sell-off of many of the commodity currencies that had gained after the release of the minutes. And this leads us into an interesting position going into the end of the week. The first pair I'm going to look at is the AUDUSD cross. And as you can see, the AUDUSD after the release of the FOMC minutes broke away from the trend line that had been containing the pair, the ascending trend line, and pushed all the way up to the top of the range at 105.30. But since that point, the pair has moved down, and now, at close of the New York trading day, is sitting right at strong resistance at 104.35. That is a combination of daily price support and the ascending trend line. If we get a clear break of this level, we could get a measured move down to end the week up, and with the next level of support would be down at 103.20 or 102.80, but I would watch the 103.20 area. If in Asian and European trading we bounce at this level, though, we could easily just drift back higher up towards the 105.30 area, but I would be keeping an eye out for a break below that level. Same with the New Zealand USD, as that pair moved up and still continues to move down lower, it appears, after it broke below the 81.40 level today in the afternoon trading in New York. If the pair can remain below this 81.40 area, we could easily see a push down towards the 86 area level to close out the week. The last pair I'm interested in is the EURUSD, because it's sitting right now right here on significant trend support right at 125.60, 50 area. If we get a break below this level, we could easily see into the end of the week a push back down towards 125, maybe even further into the beginning of next week towards 124.40. If the pair bounces at this level, though, it has strong resistance just above at the 126.30 area, as this is a descending trend line that has capped all movements higher since the beginning of last October. As for economic data today, in Australia, they have a Representative Stevens is testing in front of the House Economic Committee, and this could produce a little volatility in a pair that is sitting right in a crucial support level. And in Japan, we have the Cabinet Office release, and then in England, in European trading, out of Great Britain, we have the GDP release. And then finally, to end things off, in North America tomorrow, we have the USD durable goods report. So we could have a bit of volatility to end out the week, so you get to keep your heads on a swivel and watch the price action to give us a little bit of cues into what could be which way the risk is going to trade into the end of the week. All right, this is Chris Keene from a keen point of view. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe.